Hello everybody, I'm Elizaveta from here. Today we will sew this incredible gift for my daughter. We will sew from unnecessary pieces of fabric. Important, the product does not fit on the table. Therefore, I will sew a small sample from these fabrics. Let's go. In our blanket, the block size is 27 by 27 centimeters. You can carve them out of anything: shorts, skirts, dresses, unnecessary fabrics. For demonstration purpose, I will be cutting out 12 by 12 centimeters. I take the prepared template and cut out the required number of squares. These are the squares of a large blanket. Permanent heading on my channel, Wanted Cat. Next, I distribute the blocks. I need to try different locations. This combination has been approved. First, I sew the stripes. I cut off the excess seam allowance. I iron the seam allowance in different directions. Now I sew the stripes together. Be sure to combine the previous lines. It should be like this. Knit a frame. I cut out carefully. I place the main part on a flat surface. I put a frame on top. I fasten this pin. I am sewing a frame. The same from all sides. I iron out the seam allowance. Now we prepare the wrong side of the blanket. Cut out a rectangle of the desired size. Ready. Both parts need to be insulated. I cut out the synthetic winterizer. The synthetic winterizer must be attached to the main part. I evenly distribute a main part. I sew on a synthetic winterizer with temporary hand stitch. Along the perimeter, and a few lines on the product. I also sew the synthetic winterizer to the wrong side. On the front part, we need to make an auxiliary line. I fold the parts right side to each other. I fasten with pin. I sew on the perimeter. Be sure to leave a hole in order to turn the blanket inside out. I cut off the excess. I remove excess from the corners. I turn out the blanket. I'm sewing up the hole. The stitches are very small. I sew the perimeter with temporary oblique stitches. Now we need to make a quilt. I will quilt with hand stitches. I simply connect the front and back parts of the blanket with short stitches. I clean up industrial waste. Ready. My daughter loved the blanket. She loves every teddy bear. The descriptions contains links to shop with handicrafts. By buying in these stores, you are giving jobs to Turkish women. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share the video. All the best in your sewing. Bye bye. These are young ducks. They live in the city center.